Welcome back to my channel for another video. So here we go again. Easy money. Okay, £300 while eating breakfast. I actually placed this trade while eating breakfast. That's how effective this is. That's how effective my strategy is. I literally placed the trade while having breakfast. That's the confidence, that is revealed, that breeds inside you when you've been doing this for a long time. Okay, and the trade probably took about 15 minutes, something like that. So £300 while eating breakfast. This is real, guys. This is real. This is something that you can do also. Okay, £300 while eating breakfast. I was still in my house coat, making £300. Okay, so again, as usual, I love to trade the Dow. So it's the Dow Jones again. Okay, why do I trade the Dow all the time? It's simple. It gives me results. Sometimes I'm trading the Dow 15 times a week. 15 times a week. And why wouldn't I? I can trade while having breakfast, while still in my house coat. So what I'm trying to convey today is, I'm trying to instill in everybody out there that is watching this video, this is how easy this is. Okay, now there's no overnight success. I've said that before. You've got to put the work in. There's no overnight success. Okay, but if you put the work in, you can get to the position where you can make £300 at breakfast while in your house coat. Okay, so I always say it, if I can do it, you can do it as well. So here we go again. I love this stuff. I love it. Absolutely love what I do. And why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I love it? Okay, so guys, make sure you smash that like button and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as usual, if you want to contact me, you can contact me on my Instagram, and that is sambora.00. Here's the video. Here is the video, £300 while eating breakfast. Enjoy. Okay, so I've bought 130 contracts on the Dow Jones and I'm trading the European Open. Okay, so my entry is just that blue line there, you can see, so 28,623. Okay, now again, and I always say all my trades are based on price action. That's my entry. My entry is based on price action, but my overall strategy is based on patterns that I've identified over a long period of time. Okay, so that's why I've taken this trade. Okay, the reason that I've taken this trade is because I know the patterns that are going to play out. I know the formations that are going to play out. I know what's going to be followed. So that's the reason I've taken this position. Okay, I wait for formations to happen, and then I know how the formation is going to form. So quite happy to sit here now. 130 contracts. It's a nice sized position, this. I quite like this size of position. I was trading a little bit less than that, but 130 contracts, I'm liking that these days. So I'm quite happy to sit here, quite comfortable as well, because I know what's going to play out. I'm sitting here, and I'm confident. I'm confident because I know what the historical data looks like. I know what the historical data looks like, so I know what future data will look like. And that gives me confidence. My confidence comes from historical data and seeing it time and time again. Every single day, time after time after time. And I see these formations play out, and I know exactly how they're going to play out. I know they're going to play out. Okay, so that's where I got my confidence from. People ask me, where do you get your confidence from? Well, it's from historical data. It's from experience. It's the same as anything. Okay, so I'm quite happy to sit here. This is a very slow trade. There's not a lot of volume, but I think what I'll do is now I'm gonna put a stop loss in here. Okay, I just want to protect my profits here. So £89. So I'm just gonna take that, and the reason that I've done that is because there's not a lot of volume. It's quite slow, so this could end up reversing on me. So I would rather secure that £89 at least, because there doesn't appear to be a lot of volume this morning. It is very slow. Now sometimes that can be a good thing, but also it can be a bad thing as well, because it means that the volatility just isn't there. but I'll still sit here, and now I'm comfortable. Okay, I'm very, very comfortable. I can sit here and just let this trade play out. So that's me up nearly 230 now at the moment, and I will probably look to put another stop loss in soon, because I'm thinking that this might reach resistance now pretty soon. It's coming to that point where it's going to reach resistance. So again, you know, it just depends on the characteristics of the trade. So, you know, the likes of this, I will use stop losses on this because it's so slow. There's not a lot of volatility, so I'm quite happy to secure profits by putting a stop loss in. This is one of the occasions where I'll do that. So I'll probably do that pretty soon again. I'll probably put another stop loss in. And again, that is to secure my profits, to protect my investment, to protect my capital. But I probably won't get too much more out of this now, to be fair, because it is extremely slow. It's very, very slow. It's been a long trade, this. You know, it's been a long trade. But let's just wait now and see what's going to happen here, because I just don't think I'm going to get much more out of this. You can see that it's starting to slow, you know, and when it starts to slow like that, it means that it's consolidating and it's actually reaching resistance. So we just need to wait and see what's going to happen now. Okay, so probably need to put another one in soon. Probably need to put another one in very, very soon. Okay, so this is starting to slow down now, so I'm thinking that probably just take a profit now pretty soon. I've finished breakfast, so I think what we'll do here is I'm just gonna put in a little stop loss here in for 238, just in case it starts to pull back on me, because it is starting to slow down. But you know what, let's just get out. So there you have it. I call it Housecoat Trading. Housecoat Trading. Okay, so guys, again, you know, time and time again, I keep saying it, history repeats itself time and time again. Okay, all my trades are based on patterns that I've identified over a period of time. My entries are based on price action, but the overall trade is based on patterns. These trades work. These trades work. Why? Because I identified the patterns. The patterns work. Okay, I do take the occasional loss, of course I do. Of course I do. You know, I'd be lying if I says that I didn't take any losses. Of course you take losses, but they're minimized. They are minimized. So if you want to find out more about what it is that I do, you can contact me on my Instagram, sambora.00. As usual, have a good week. Have a good week. And stick with it. Stick with it. You want to get to the position that I'm in, stick with it. Do not give up. Do not give up. That's it. That's the secret. You want to know what the secret is? That's the secret. Do not give up. Have a good week. Catch you later.